This is going to be a review of a popsicle mold made by, I believe it's Libice. Get it? Ice? Libice. Okay, so it's got silicone lids. It's got, I think, popsicle sticks in it. Maybe they're plastic. I don't know. I'm living in Los Angeles. We just had a heat wave. It's so hot out here. It's incredibly hot. We just lost power for 3 days, 4 days actually. So I'm going to be testing this out. I am rather healthy with what I drink and eat, or I try to be, and I try to avoid sugar. So what I've been doing, I used to buy popsicles, and they're just loaded with sugar, and they're loaded with sugar substitutes if you don't buy the sugar type. Okay, check this out. This is pretty impressive. So mostly what I do now is I guzzle down massive amounts of water with lime juice in it, and it's really good. So, wow, look at all the stuff that comes in this package. Absolutely incredible. The package is pretty impressive. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have 6 molds. You have 6 covers. Looks like this is a measuring cup. We have, I believe that's a cleaning brush. We have instructions. We have the stand for the molds. Looks like there is a carrying bag over here, or a storage bag. I can tell you, I'm not going to need to store this because once I start using this, I'll be using this all the time. What do we have? I think this is a tattoo, some type of a tattoo. And what else? We've got lots of popsicle sticks. So what I'm going to do, you can just use anything you want. You can use, if you like popsicles and you want sugar liquid or fruit juice, that's up to you. Orange juice, regular water if you just want cold pops. If you want to do coffee, if you're a coffee drinker, mix the coffee up, put it in here, and you'll have an iced coffee pop. How awesome is that? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix some ice lime water, because that's what I was telling you. I live on that stuff. Very healthy. And we'll test it out and see how this thing works. Now, the nice thing is that it comes with a built-in stick. But if you want to use your own stick, you can buy the sticks. They come with sticks. It comes with a cover so that you're able to use the wooden popsicle sticks. Or, in my case, I'm just going to use what they provide. The great thing about making your own popsicles is you can, as I said, I'm going to be doing lime water. You can do coffee. You can do chocolate milk. They give you some instructions on how to make a coffee drink. And I believe on their website they have some other recipes. But you can just be creative with fruit juice or just about anything. Anything with flavor that you would want for a popsicle. Raspberry, strawberry, cherry. So you put the plastic pieces in there. And now for myself, I'm going to add a little bit of lime, because that's what I love. No calories, and it's delicious. Now they provide you with a funnel, or if you just want to use a container, it has a point on there to fill everything up. Not really sure how far you fill it up. My first time using it, but I'm excited because it's been 90 degrees out here and it's terrible, and I need something besides ice lime water. And we all grew up with popsicles and fudgicles. The instruction manual tells you how to make fudgicles. Alright, so how much easier could this be? Now all you do is you take your cover. Does it snap on? You just place it in there. I'm going to get all of these, and then I'm going to put this in the freezer. It says that you put it in for 6 hours. And this is really simple. Good quality stand. I like this. Lots of color, lots of colors. The kids will like it. Absolutely perfect. So there we go. I've got all 6 of these filled up. I am going to put this in the freezer right now. There it is. All 6 molds are in the freezer right now. I didn't fill that up all the way, but that's okay. I'm not worried about that. Just trying this out for the first time. So I will be back in a few hours, and I'll let you know what it tastes like, what my full experience is. Right now I can tell you this is good quality material, silicone-based mold, and it comes with everything you need, from the funnel to the popsicle sticks built in. or the wooden sticks if you want to use those, and the extra tops so that you don't need to use the plastic one, I mean the silicone ones. And the base, very sturdy base. This thing's not moving anywhere, not going anywhere. And the carrying bags. So I'll come back in a few hours and give you my opinion. It's been about 12 hours. I'm going to take these out of the freezer now. Now I want you to remember, you can make just about anything you want in here. You can take almond milk and freeze it. You can take coffee and freeze it. If you want to have a fresh, healthy fruit popsicle, you can take strawberries, put them in a Vitamix. Take peaches, put them in a Vitamix, whatever you want to do, and then pour it in layer after layer so you can have a delicious flavored popsicle. So I'm going to take this out now, and you're supposed to put this in under the warmth of some water, which I'm going to do. And I just did that. It took me about 10 seconds under the water, and that's what you get. Let's see what it tastes like. Oh my God, that's delicious. A lime popsicle for me. And this is going to keep me from drinking sodas or sugar-filled popsicles or aspartame-filled popsicles. This is the way to go. Libice, you can get it on their website. I think it's lebice.com. Absolutely delicious during this heat wave in LA.